Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are creating a lovely blue crochet sweater. To make a beautiful blue crochet sweater, start by gathering all your materials. You shall need blue yarn, crochet hooks, scissors and a tapestry needle. Choose a soft, cozy yarn in shades of blue that you love. Begin by making a slip knot and then chain stitches to start your sweater. Crochet the foundation chain to the desired width for the sweater's bottom. Next, work rows of double crochet stitches for the body of the sweater. Keep crocheting until the body reaches the desired length. Then crochet two separate panels for the front and back of the sweater. Pay attention to the pattern to create the right shape and size for each panel. Once the panels are complete, crochet the sleeves separately. Join the sleeves to the body of the sweater using slip stitches. Crochet the neckline and any embellishments you desire. Weave in any loose ends using a tapestry needle to tidy up the sweater. Try on the sweater to check the fit and make any necessary adjustments. If needed, add ribbing to the cuffs and bottom hem for a polished look. Take your time to ensure each stitch is neat and even. Crocheting is a relaxed environment can make the process more enjoyable. Don't be afraid to experiment with different stitch patterns for added texture. Use stitch markers to keep track of important points in the pattern. Refer to tutorials or crochet books for guidance if you encounter any difficulties. Remember to take breaks and stretch your hands to prevent fatigue. Don't rush the process, enjoy each step of making your sweater. Embrace imperfections as part of the charm of handmade items. Take measurements to ensure the sweater fits well before finishing. Blocking the sweater can help shape it and improve the overall appearance. Allow the sweater to dry completely before wearing or gifting it. Thanks for watching this video.